Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, ready to dive into another item. I hope you're ready because today we got something special that sold out and is going to be added to my closet, part of all the t-shirts that I got. Before we review this item, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the notification so that you never miss out any other items that I show. So today we're gonna review this Supreme item. So I got this t-shirt from week 1 along with my backpack. If you go to my last video, you'll be able to see that I ended up getting a black backpack from Supreme that I'm using. So I ended up getting this Supreme tee. It cost me $40. So you got the Supreme right here in the corner, and then you got the patches. So I thought it was gonna be stitched, but it's not stitched, obviously. It's printed. Still fire, still cool. You got the peace symbol, just a whole bunch of stuff back here. It is definitely something that I'll keep. A lot of the stuff that I buy, I'm gonna keep. I got it in navy blue. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Did you grab one? Did you miss? Did they sell out and you didn't get anything? Let me know in the comments below. So this is what I got. There's the shirt. So let's go over this product online. Let's go to the computer. Got it in navy. So you see it says navy right here. Got it in black. This is the bag. It came in green, cement type color. This is like a hot pink, white. Do you guys have a favorite one out of all of these? The cement type fire too, but I ended up getting the navy one. Like I said, I'm definitely adding this to the collection. It's sold out. $58 was the last sale. You can buy it right now for $62 with the fees and everything and shipping, $80.90. So they're all running about the same, 56, 75, 65. So there's not much of a resale value. I mean, I'm keeping this. I'm not selling it. I'm just gonna add it to my closet. I knew this was gonna sell out, so I just bought one because it's not even much. It's $40. So I ended up getting the backpack and the shirt. So this is definitely a keep. In the last backpack video, you can see that it also came with this sticker, also came with the regular Supreme, and this one, which I do not have. So this is my first time getting this one. This one and this one are brand new. I got a whole bunch of these. So let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and try this on. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the shirt. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Would you grab it? Did you like the other tees more? That wraps it up for our item review for the Patchwork Tee. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch review, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace guys.